Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm stir-frying chicken with crisp cowpea and bamboo shoots. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. I have chicken thigh meat, garlic, ginger, onion, green onion, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine, seasoning salt mix. This is a boiled bamboo shoot. I'm using the variety that comes in the package, and you can certainly use canned bamboo shoots. And this is the crisp cowpea. And cowpeas are actually Chinese long beans. And this comes in the package also in the refrigerated section of the Asian market. And this is marinated with chili peppers, star anise, some fennel, garlic, and some other seasonings. And if you can't find the crisp cowpea in the package, they also have it available in a jar. It would be in the aisle with the canned vegetables. For the prep, let's start off with cutting the chicken. Just gonna cut it into like long slice. So let's also marinate this. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt, sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. It's a good mix. Okay, so this is done. Set it aside and let it marinate for like 10 minutes. I'll wash up and we can continue with the prep. Okay, so next let's mince the ginger and garlic. I'm gonna mince it all together. And it doesn't have to be too fine of a mince. Okay, that looks good. Next, we'll slice the onion. And we'll mince the green onion. So now all the prep is done. Let's wait another 5 minutes for the chicken to finish marinating and we can start cooking. Okay, I have my pan set at a medium-high heat and we're going to cook the chicken first. Add oil. You can let it sit and cook for about, 30 seconds on one side. Give it a quick toss. And we'll cook this until it changes color. And actually we can add a bit of dark soy to give the chicken a nice color. Okay, so this is done. Let's remove it from the pan. I gave the pan a quick wash and rinse, so let's dry it out. Our heat is still set at a medium-high, so let's add oil. And we'll stir-fry the ginger and onion. Toss this for about 30 seconds until the onions soften up. And next we'll add the bamboo shoots. Toss this for about 30 seconds. We'll add the cowpeas. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt mix, sesame oil. Give this a quick toss. And we'll return the chicken. We'll give it a splash of Shaoxing wine. this for about 30 to 45 seconds just to combine all the flavors. And lastly, we'll add the green onions. And this is done. So let's serve this. Okay, so let's plate this. It smells absolutely wonderful. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fried chicken with crisp cowpeas and bamboo shoots. The crisp cowpeas add a little bit of heat and texture to the dish, and the bamboo shoots give it a really earthy flavor. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She likes chicken. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.